Hello everyone, today we're featuring a final edition factory black Mazda Bongo, one of the last made. It's 4-berth, 5-seater with a rear kitchen conversion. It's got nice alloy wheels, factory body kit because it's a final edition, wind deflectors, tinted privacy glass in the back, HID headlights. We've got sort of like colour coded mirrors to match the roof. Central locking, electric windows, electric rear blinds, folding electric mirrors, digital climate control, air conditioning, adjustable steering rack rake. It's got I think the original stereo in there, but we've also added another screen over the other side that you can see, which mirrors. It's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless, so you can mirror what's showing on your phone. So if you use your Waze app for sat nav or anything like that, and play your music from your phone wirelessly into your stereo. So that's really handy. A solid middle seat there, which you can. I'll show you in a minute. You can make it into a. If you put them into the backward facing position, then you've got a built-in table on the back there. You've got the table here slide into the middle, some little cushions go on there. This folds that way, you can make your bed there. You've got a fridge, a sink and tap there. 3 boards in the roof. You don't always need to have 3 if you're sleeping in the roof. You can get away with 2, but if you've got kids up there, you don't want to fall out. Of course, you need to use the 3. It's also handy for storage as well if you're taking stuff with you down here and you want to pop it up in the roof if you're not sleeping in it. There is extra lights in the roof there, also, and fly nets that you can open up for the summer to keep nice and cool. There's a nice little ridge at the front there to store stuff on as well, which is nice. You've got a main tuck up there with USB ports as well, which is really handy. The side door's got a soft close mechanism on it, so you don't have to slam it. Your wash wipers you'd expect and things like that. You've got your main tuck up there for your campsite, your gas bottle storage in there. Fresh and waste water tanks there, so everything's all on board there. You can get an awning for the back of these as well as for the side, so you can make whatever you want of it. They're easily available then. We can also fit tow bars if you need them fitted as well. If you're going on a longer trip and you're taking some stuff with you there. But yeah, it looks really nice in the factory black. Not many around in black anymore really. It's because it's so hot in southern Japan in the summer, they don't really go for black very often. But yeah, it's looks the business in black there, really does. We'll pop some pictures on as well, so you can see some stills of it. It will come with a full year's MOT, 6 months written warranty as well, so it's ready to go. As I said, the code for this one is FAP.